Hello, friends. Welcome back to a new price prediction update on JASMY, where we'll be taking a look at what the recent updates and recent things that happened for the support and resistance level for JASMY, and just a quick update on what's going on in the 1 hour. And okay, so I just wanted to state that there's a lot of projects right now that are in a downtrend. Okay, so just keep that in mind when we are reviewing these projects. And okay, so in JASMY, this was the last update that we did. Okay, we had price here at these levels at about 0.0255. Okay, we stated that I want price, at these levels here where we wicked out of it, and we see this is the moving average, 50 moving average. Okay, so it's a bit longer because we could see the overall trend on what's happening with JASMY. Okay, so we could see when we zoom in, we could see that price, never broke out of the 50 EMA. Okay, so we created a support level at about 0.0253 as we stated before, but every time we are still under the 50 EMA. Okay, and it's indicating that we are still in a strong downtrend. And as you can see here, price tried to break out of this 50 EMA, and that's where we had our resistance level before. Okay, so there was a lot of indication that price was still going to be in the downtrend because we see our level of resistance that we had before, and we saw that there was a very heavy resistance there, and we see that price is deciding to break out of the 50 EMA, but it never did. Okay, so we're still trading under the 50 EMA. And as you can see here, when we decided to come back at the level of support we drawn before at 0.0252, we went back up there to the 50 EMA to test back the double top. As we can see here, there's a two double top here, which indicated another reversal that we were still in the downtrend. Okay, so as you can see, what I wanted price to happen is for price to come back down here and trade sideways a little bit at the 50 EMA before breaking out of the 50 EMA and breaking out of the recent tops here that we see at 0.0268, and then coming back at the level of support at about 0.0277. But unfortunately, since we still haven't broke the level the 50 EMA, we are still in a very heavy downtrend for JASMY, as you can see here. And also, what happened was, as you can see here, we can see that price went up there, wicked up several times, as you can see here at about 0.0237. And so these levels here, we were in a sideways market for about 5 hours here. As you can see, price never broke out of this zone. We were retested several times at the level of resistance that we had before at about 0.0249. Okay, before going back and creating a level of support here, as you can see. But unfortunately, as you can see, also volume for the bearish momentum, overtook the volume for bullish. Okay, as you can see here, and also we know that the 50 EMA is also there, and we are still, retesting it several times, but we are still going down. Okay, so as you can see here, for JASMY, we are currently creating a level of support at about 0.193, which price never closed there. Okay, so as you can see, prices going up and down, and also we wicked there several times before never closing there. Okay, so we were also, there's a divergence here. Okay, as you can see at this level here, we see RSI was oversold at 25, and also right here, RSI, as you can see, we are at about 26, as you can see here, and we can see that there's a pattern indicating here. Okay, so here you can see that this wick is shorter than this one. Okay, and as you can see here, this wick is shorter than this one, but on the RSI, it's actually more oversold here at 24 than the one here at 31, which as you can see, once that happened, we saw that diversion happen. Look what happened right after. Okay, we went up again, as you can see, since that divergence pattern occurred. So just keep in mind when you're taking a look, keep in mind that divergence happens, and it's a key indicator that price will reverse in the meantime. Okay, so as you can see here, we also this one is not a divergence, but a double top, as we indicated before. But for this one, this is the prime example. As we see here, we saw another indication that price was going up. Okay, so for JASMY right now, since we are still in the bearish momentum, as you can see from the overall trend, we are still haven't broken the 50 EMA, so we need price to break that level. Okay, for JASMY to break out of this zone and actually continue its momentum to the upside. We also keep in mind that we have supply here and resistance at about 0.0222. Okay, so this level is very crucial, and we also have a key level here of the EMA at 50 EMA, which is indicating that price can still continue downwards. Okay, so unless we actually break this AMA right here at 0.0210, then we could see price still continue to the downwards. Okay, as you can see here, we might see price continue to the upside here for quite some time. We might see price go back up here to about 0.0208, as we can see here several times, where price tries to retest these levels before, as you can see here, but we are still continuing to the downwards. Okay, so unless we could see strong momentum to the levels of 0.0209, where the EMA is at, and then actually break at that level of EMA and then retest back before getting oversold, and then retesting back at about 0.0222 at the levels of supply here, and then creating a level of support there, then JASMY will continue to the downwards. Okay, since this is the heavier time frame and the higher time frame, and we can also see that JASMY is still in the downwards here for the EMA. So unless that, like I stated, breaks, then we can still see JASMY continue to the downwards at levels that we haven't seen in quite some time, which is these levels here at about. We are currently actually respecting these levels at 0.0194, but the next level that we could see at these levels here at 0.0150, if price continues to the downwards and we don't break the 50 AMA level. As you can see, we had a strong momentum here when the EMA was being placed, and we were up top of the EMA. So we have to break that level. Okay, guys. Just a quick update, and I hope you guys liked the video, and I would love to see you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.